We're completing our sample entity data display with all this comprehensive information. Now, in our main program execution section, after our welcome message, we encounter fundamental programming operation, display educational info, with the open and close parentheses. So we've just take a moment to think about function calls. This is what's going on. We're probably familiar with that already by this point. But it's the mechanism for executing the functions that you've defined, causing their code blocks to run and perform their intended operations. In this case, display educational info uses that function name followed by the parentheses, and when Python encounters this call, it jumps to that function definition in the code. Python executes all the code inside the function, all those print statements. After the function completes, Python returns to continue with the main program flow. This triggers function execution and utilizes their functionality. Instead of copying and pasting all those educational print statements into your main code, the function call executes the organized reusable function code. The concept of function invocation and code execution enables organized program flow. Functions define what to do, but function calls actually make it happen. They're the trigger that causes code blocks to run.